Okay, so these are called reduction formulas, and there's 3 of them, and I'm just going to give them to you. So sine squared theta is equal to 1 minus cosine 2 theta over 2, and then cosine squared theta is equal to 1 plus cosine 2 theta over 2. And then if you think about tangent squared being sine squared over cosine squared, so tangent squared theta, you could write those. I'll write it for you. It'd be sine squared theta over cosine squared theta. And that's going to be 1 minus cosine 2 theta over 2 over 1 plus cosine 2 theta over 2. And then those 2's are going to cancel. So you're going to get, so our last reduction formula, tangent squared theta equals 1 minus cosine 2 theta over 1 plus cosine 2 theta. So the nice thing about the reduction formulas, because you might be thinking, well, why would we want to do this? Why would we use this? Well, on the left side, you have a square, right? But on the right side, you no longer have an exponent on the trig function. So that's why it's called a reduction formula. You're reducing the exponent. And then the same with, the cosine squared and the tangent squared. They're all going to be in terms of just one trig function, and the exponent on the trig function is 1. So that's why you might use a reduction formula. Okay, so we'll see that in, future examples here. But this is the one for tangent squared, this is the one for sine squared, and this is the one for cosine squared. And you can see more of an explanation where sine squared and cosine squared, where those come from in the textbook.